3 days to go until the Scottish referendum, and the polls extremely tight. We can speak to Dennis Canavan, chair of the Yes campaign, former Labour MP, and Labour is a political party, of course, support the no vote. Dennis Canavan is yes. Good morning, Mr. Canavan.
Good morning.
Well, what a week ahead. How are you feeling at the moment? How confident are you as a Yes campaigner?
Well, confident, optimistic, but not complacent. I mean, we've still got 3 days to go. We're running neck and neck. Not so long ago, it's worth recalling that our opponents were 20 points ahead. Well, we've now closed that gap. The momentum is on our side. The victory is in our grasp. So there's a huge amount of work to do between now and Thursday because many people are still undecided. But they're up for it, and I think we're going to win the famous and historic victory.
And how do you feel on Friday morning? Do you feel nervous about the years ahead because there are so many unanswered questions, aren't there?
I think there are difficult